the hidden beach of Cape d'Aguilar. How to get here? Take bus number 9 from Shu K1. Alight at Cape d'Aguilar bus stop. 3 minutes walk to the entrance.
Pakyat yung hirap-hirap ako.
Be mindful, to your right is the entrance.
Wow, ang hinit. See. So guys, dito yung pababa ng beach. Sabi nila, 30 minutes daw. O, diba?
Ito, dito ako bumaba.
Kaya nga daw, mahirap nga pababa. Ingat lang. Sana pala nagpantalon ako. Sabi ko na
Paano mo pala malalaman na ito pala yung beach?
daw.
Here is the sign of the entrance going to the beach.
May beach sa baba. Teka guys.
At least 30 minutes to hike going to the beach.
Ang init.
Let's start the hike.
Uy, sayang yung saging guys, oh.
You need a proper hiking shoes. Some part is slippery.
Ayun guys, papunta na kami ng hidden beach ng Cape d'Aguilar. Halfway na kami. Woohoo! Sis, kaninong birthday sis? May dala kang cake. Kaninong birthday? Malapit na kami. Yan na yung beach.
Okay, ito. Picture ba na? Kabidyo.
Oy, ayaw yung gumamit ng lubid. Yung bag ko gagamit ng lubid.
Ingat.
Yata yung bato gumagalaw.
Ingat, ingat.
Ang init. Thank you. Gumagalaw yung bato doon. Be secured sa bato. Akala ko naman. Secured na secured. Oh. Ems. Grabe, pinagod mo kami sobra. Tara na. Hello, bitch! Finally! Ayan guys, narating na rin namin at super init na beach na to. Hidden beach ng Cape d'Aguilar. Hidden naman talaga kasi tingnan mo naman kami lang dito nakatira. Nabili na namin ang beach na to for today. Nabook na ni Ems. Hello, ang mga pagod, namumula si ate. Grabe, thank you ate sa tarpaulin mo. At super helpful sa init. Wow, buti na lang talaga may tarp. Buti na lang din.
What you need to know. Bring a tarp with you for sun protection. This is an Ulan beach. Bring enough water to dehydrate. Food and snacks. There is no convenience store here. No toilet. There is a stream water for you to rinse initially, but of course, warm shower back home is more refreshing. Enjoy. Don't forget to strike a pose. Happy birthday, EMS.
Beautiful sunset. Natatakpan ng cloud. Thank you, everyone! Muntik na. Nagbukas na kami. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Ganda ng sunset. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Makit na kami. Thank you sa book ng Beach Ems. Talagang nabook niya para lang sa amin. Wala daw pupunta. Hingal-hingal pa akyat ah. Grabe, ang ganda ng sunset oh. Kulay pa. Ayan kami galing guys. Pababa.
Coming soon, Wang Ma Show Island. Cool Gen 23.